उत्तिष्ठ भारत युवा वीर धर्म ज्ञान बलान्वित त्वया निर्मयते नित्यं विकसितं नवभारतं विश्वमंगलम. A golden afternoon to each and everyone. I am Yada Lavanya, NCC cadet, NSS and My Bharat volunteer from Khammam district of Telangana state. I am here to express my views on the topic Union Budget 2026, strengthening India's youth to the path of Vikasit Bharat 2047. From the dreams of moon and sun to the success of Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan, from ancient Gurukulas to digital classrooms, from the land where knowledge was worshipped to the nation where technology is transforming the lives. From scriptures to satellites to curiosity to capabilities, this is Bharat, where tradition is our strength, innovation is our path, youth is our power. Supercharging youth for new India. As we march towards Vikasit Bharat 2047, we must ask ourselves, even after 79 years of Indian independence, are we not bound by handcuffs of poverty, illiteracy, communalism, casteism, gender discrimination, women's safety issues, female feticides, infanticides, malnutrition? Today, the youth, the future of this great nation, unfortunately getting trapped in criminal activities, neglecting their responsibility towards environment, struggling with unemployment, lack of skills, facing mental stress, distracted by social media. My dear youngsters, blossoms of this nation, these are not challenges. These are warnings for our future. So what's the way forward? Yes, the answer lies in the perfect balance between the culture and development. Here, the most powerful thing is Union Budget 2026. Remember, no budget can build a nation alone. A nation is not built in the parliament. It is built in the classrooms, in villages, in startups, and in the mindset of young people. At the same time, when budget becomes powerful, it becomes powerful when it invests in young people's education, supports startups and innovation, promotes inclusivity, green growth. Then we can undoubtedly say, today's young are tomorrow's innovators, creators, leaders, problem solvers, builders. Dharma samsthapanardhaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Yato dharmastato jaya. We, the youth, the future of this great nation, strength of this nation, should be an antidote to bad governance and corruption. Because we can't always build future for our youth. We can build youth for our future. So let us rise. When the youth chooses dreams, India rises. When the youth chooses responsibility, India transforms. Rise not just as individuals, but as nation builders. Let us all together build a nation which is economically strong, environmentally sustained, socially equal, develop new India. Vikasit Nava Bharatam na keval swap, balki amara sankalp. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.